Okay, okay, that's great.
Yeah, and
And my name is Indrajit. I am from West Bengal, Kolkata, and currently I am preparing for government exam. Also, I have completed my bachelor degree. Like I have completed my graduation in BTech in
okay,
EC
great.
stream.
Okay, great. In electronics,
Yeah, electronics.
I'm also doing electronics and communication. What a coincidence.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very nice. That's very nice.
Okay, that is great. So, where did you find about Inktalki from?
On YouTube, I found it, and then I joined as a learner, and I am improving my English, my communication skill, and also I run a YouTube channel through which I like where I can upload videos, like in talkie videos. Also, I upload there.
Okay, that is great. Okay, so this session is for 15 minutes. So, do you want to have a casual conversation or do you want to talk about the topic?
We can go ahead with the casual conversation, and also if there is some needed, then we can include the topics.
Okay, very great. Cool. So, what do you do exactly?
Right now, I am an aspirant of government exams, and also I am doing a job in an NGO sector. Though, like I got this job through campus placement, but yes, I want to go to like in the government field, especially.
Okay. So, you did not pursue MTech after your BTech?
I am not interested in
Same here.
pursuing that.
Same
Yeah,
here.
so like to get a job, that's and now I will move to different states of India because in my state I will not get this my job through ECE especially.
Right? It is difficult. It is very difficult.
Hmm. It's
So,
very
what are
difficult.
your hobbies?
My hobbies are like listening to music and playing cricket, playing chess, and also yeah, I love YouTubing. I love doing YouTube.
Okay. So, what is your page really about? Like lifestyle blogging?
Uh, no, no, not lifestyle. Like it is based on English speaking.
Okay.
So I upload whatever. Actually, I have started my channel since 2020 lockdown. So I uploaded. I have been uploading content there, and it is going well, and I'm really happy for that. And yes, that's why I am engaged in making videos as well as right now I am not so active on YouTube
Okay.
because of my study. But yes, I love to do that in my free time.
Okay, that is great. Okay, so you can also ask me questions if you want. Okay,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
sure, sure, sure. I am, yeah, I'm just thinking, like one, not funny actually, one serious question. You have to be serious. Like you choose engineering or someone forces you to choose engineering because of the opportunities, obviously. What do you think? So,
So, in my case, what happened in my household was that, like, when in class 10th, they just gave me, as a
mm,
typical Indian household, just gave me two options. Either you choose medical or you choose non-medical.
yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
basically, I wanted to do commerce, but they said that there is no scope and, many, many things they said. I said, okay, then let's go with non-medical because I had a little bit interest in maths and I was not very good
Okay,
at
okay, sure,
biology.
sure.
So that's why I did maths,
Mm,
and after that, I continued with engineering only. That's it. That's how it
yeah.
went.
And sometimes even I have noticed as I am an engineer, so I can say that some people like um, have have found out like the path after getting the degree engineering. So
Hmm.
they have another option to pursue as a
Pursue.
career. They can choose that. You can say they can discover that.
Right, right, right. So, in what batch did you graduate?
2020. I mean 2022.
Okay. So, do you think your degree really works for you, or do you think you just wasted your time?
I can say actually lockdown, especially the lockdown uh, made us lazy, and
Right.
also there was going on online. So that's why I thought that no, I'm not I was not getting interest in this field. But as I chose this, so I have to continue. I have to continue. Then yeah, after completing fourth year, I got a job from campus placement though, but I am not interested in doing that field, doing that job. So that's why just as it is an NGO, so it is more better. I mean, it is better than this job or than IT sector. Though
Right.
there is not so growth like IT sector, but I still do it because of I feel great. It feels really awesome because I was initially posted in the hill station in the village. So there were a lot of people who are very happy, whatever they have, like village lifestyle.
Mm.
I see and I feel that no, the people are really happy, whatever they have, they are very satisfied. So I thought that okay, I can continue this job, and also I'm preparing simultaneously for other exams.
Right, right, great. So you said that you like playing cricket. So do you watch IPL?
Yes, yes. I am watching. I am a Dhoni fan, like CSK fan.
Okay, great,
Though I am
great.
from Kolkata, but I love Dhoni. That's why I support CSK for Dhoni.
For Dhoni, okay, great. Okay, so what is your favorite season?
Winter. It is my
Winter,
favorite
you like
season because
winter?
uh, winter. Because like I hate summer. Actually, I can't tolerate.
Okay.
What do you like? What is your favorite season?
For my case, it's quite the opposite. I hate winter and I love summer. You know,
Okay, okay.
it is very ironical. You were born in
Why?
a hot place, so you hate summer. I was born in a cold place, so I hate winter,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It depends. Like ambience plays a great role here to choose the favorite season. That's true. And do you have a wish to travel abroad or to explore India?
I like traveling, but I'm not a very big fan of traveling. But I have traveled in like I have traveled to Jaipur, Delhi, Chandigarh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and many places.
Okay, inside India.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
But as of right now, as in I want to go to abroad just to have a little vacation, but not to settle abroad.
Okay, okay, got it.
Yeah. Because many people say that foreigners don't have a good picture of Indians. They really belittle and there is a lot of racism, so I don't plan to settle abroad at all. So do you
Okay,
wish
okay,
to
I see,
visit
I see.
somewhere?
Yeah, definitely. I love to visit, like, especially English speaking country. That's why I'm learning this language very much.
Right.
And also, like, I would like to visit Italy, Spain, like football city, especially European countries.
Okay. So do you like nature walks and etc.?
Yes, I like nature walks. I like, and also I like to do exercise, and I like to walk in the nature in the morning. And yes, because these kind of things can make me peaceful and can make me happy. You can see after
Yeah.
a lot of work, then it feels great.
Right, right. So do you
And
ever
what
go
do you
for
like to eat? Like what? Huh? Yeah.
yeah, sorry, repeat.
Oh, I just asked you that. What do you like to eat?
I
Like, what is your favorite dish?
I'm a fan of non-vegetarian dishes usually. S-
Okay, okay, good.
Are you vegetarian?
No, no. I'm non-vegetarian, especially, but sometimes I try to eat veggies to to be healthy.
Right, right.
It's a
So yeah,
to balance them.
right. Same. I also do that sometimes. Okay, what is your favorite thing to eat?
I like biryani. I like biryani.
Okay. So veg biryani or non-veg?
Non-veg, mutton biryani.
Hmm. Okay. So do you ever go for hikings?
Oh no no. I I would love to do hiking, scuba diving, and also if there is a chance to do skydiving, then I will definitely do that because this kind of activities, like adventurous activities, I love to do because of like I have watched many videos on YouTube. I don't know that what I will feel when in that position, but yeah, it's really it is worth watching. I can say I want to do that in my life once at least.
Right. So do you have any short-term goal in your mind right now?
Yes, yes. Short term goal is to get a decent job and to stable myself, and also I want to grow my YouTube channel. So this kind of goals I have as a short term goal. And to say about long term goal, I want to make my house like I want to buy a house or buy a land. And yes, I want to, as I am a bike lover, so I want to have good bike, nice
Okay.
bike. These are the long term dreams.
And how many members are there in your family?
In my family, I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt, like kind of joint family. And also I like with my sweet grandmother. I live
Okay,
with my
that is great. And what is your favorite festival?
Durga Puja. Durga Puja is my favorite festival because it is the biggest festival of Bengal, and we are really waiting for the year to celebrate it to the full, like in full swing. And like it's a grand festival, and I think that you know a little bit about Durga Puja.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you said that you are basically from Kerala?
I am from no, I'm from Kolkata.
Oh, yeah, Kolkata. You're from Kolkata.
Kolkata
Oh,
West Bengal. Yeah.
okay, 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 okay. Cool. All right. So you can also ask me questions if you want. Do you watch web series and all?
Actually, I used to watch web series, but nowadays, due to hectic schedule of my time management, I can't have any time to watch. Then, whenever I am free, I just go to sleep to
Yeah.
like to energize myself to regain the energy. Otherwise, I like to watch movies. Like when big movies comes into theaters, I definitely watch. I definitely go to watch with my friends. And right now, I'm like I'm I I can say that I have the boring schedule, like to get up early and to study, then to have meeting, or sometimes to yeah. One thing that is interesting that is I make videos that really helps me. That I can say that makes me feel happy while scripting because I love to do that. That's
Right.
why, and also to communicate with different tutor, new people. So it feels great, definitely. And also it really improves my communication skill.
Right, right, right. Okay. So the session is almost over. Do you want to ask me any other questions? You
Okay.
can.
Uh, right now, no, I don't have any prepare. I don't have any preparation, but I will definitely ask question in the next class with you.
Okay.
And it was a really lovely session with you. Hope to meet
Okay.
you soon, very soon.
Okay. So may I provide you with the feedback?
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. So first of all, let me compliment you. Your communication skills are great. Okay, everything is very nice. I would just give you a little suggestion that you can learn new words, right? New
Mm,
complex
sure,
words.
sure.
You can learn them by using, while watching movies. Just turn on the captions in English if you don't want to watch English
Yeah.
movies. Watch Hindi movies
Hmm.
or any language movies, just turn on the caption. You will learn so many new words and so many new word meanings.